Hey guys, what's up? Here's another video for JTL Builds. What we're working on is the car, getting it ready for the next event. It is going to be US Drift, Drift for America. It's like a 4th of July thing. It's the 6th of July, Saturday, and it's today. So what we're going to accomplish today is getting the roll bar in. The roll bar is already together, so it shouldn't take that long. It's going to take longer than expected as usual. You know that's going to happen. And then get the maintenance service up. I'm going to fill the tank up with gas so I can weld. Actually, I'm going to fill the car gas tank up so it won't be just empty fumes, just for safety. And that's that. We already got the first process done with the I'll show you what I did there. I made it where it's solid so it doesn't move it shouldn't move at all anymore in the rear, so we won't have it lifting off the body and so forth and have that jumping. So we don't want any jumping. Hopefully we don't have any jumping today. Hopefully we get smooth drifts, have some fun and so forth. We're not gonna go crazy, of course. It's a freaking Jeep. So the next build I'm probably gonna do actual drift car, and hopefully I can save up for it. I'm just going to start saving up for it now. It's going to be something that can be really low to the ground, and it needs to be a drift missile. Alrighty, so this is what I'm looking at. Unfortunately, I waited until the last minute to do this to the car. The event is today, so we have here, I drill a hole here with a step drill, and then there's a bolt. It's bolted down with 2 rubber garments, so it's a solid in the rear. That will limit the movement, and we'll see if that gets rid of the bouncing around for now. See if that's a cheap way to get rid of it. If that doesn't fix it, then I have to invest in some really expensive coilover design and all this craziness, and I don't feel like getting into that. I don't have the money for that right now. You guys aren't paying me, so it's out of pocket on my end, so I'm just doing stuff like this. So hopefully that works. Next thing is the inside, clean it up again and see if I can get the roll bar in there. I want to get that in this time for this event. We got a little bit of time.
Unfortunately, I was unable to get any recording of the work done with the roll bar because I actually ran out of time and I was too focused on getting it done. But the roll bar is not finished yet. I want to completely weld it in. I have a couple other parts to do, so you'll be able to see that in another video in the future. I did get some footage of the Jeep running at the event. But before we get to that, I want to show some clips of other drivers as I was there in the audience.